Hey guys, this is Vaughn here with another garbage truck candy special. This is our second video. We do this on Fridays always, so mostly on Fridays, but here is what we're doing today. We're doing the bite-sized cookie dough and creamy milk chocolate, the original chocolate chip cookie dough bites. Those look pretty good. They're filled with cookie dough. They have chocolate, and give you a good look at the box. Well, let's flip it over and see what's on the other side. So here, you got like a little game you can play from the App Store on your phone or device. So probably like hide and seek or something, but it seems pretty fun. So now I'm going to open the box and we're going to take a look inside and see what's actually inside there. Looks like you got a bag full of them. They kind of look like some brown rocks or something, but so we'll taste them right now and see how they taste. It's a tight bag, so you're gonna have to use some scissors to cut it open. I'm gonna pour them on the ground. It smells really good. I'm gonna taste one. Tastes like cookie dough and chocolate. Tastes really good. And this pack is so big that you can share this with your friends. Let me show you what was behind the box holding it up. It is a Hot Wheel garbage truck. It is a backloader for trash service 742. Might be the number. And you got this orange piece on the top. I'm not sure what that is for. Maybe it's something you use to get trash out or something. Not too sure. And in this back area, it's just this a normal garbage truck backloader. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this Garbage Trucks Rules special. We're going to be having these almost every Friday. We want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.